I'm from Detroit, of course. Motown, Motor City. I've been singing for so long. I grew up in a musical household. Both my parents are musicians. My mom, she's a music educator. My dad, he's a jazz musician. He was signed to Grand Records in Paris. Professionally, I'll say 10 years. So I've been singing for quite a while. I'm performing Portuguese Love. Parts of the song is like gossip, kind of. It's like, I'm gonna star you tonight in Portugal. You know, I'm chatting with my girls like, girl, guess what? I just went on vacation and, you know, I met somebody. We made love by the shore. I love that, Tina Marie. Being in this competition has been a reassurance like, man, I actually am on the right path. So thank you so much for this. You know, I'm really feeling like I'm walking in my passion, walking in my right. So.